Hi everybody. Today we are going to work with anamorphic drawings. Now, anamorphic drawings are drawings that appear to be three-dimensional coming out of the paper.
In this drawing we have a sea serpent that looks like it's coming out of the paper, but this is really flat. There's a lot of chalk street art that is anamorphic. It makes it look 3D if you look at it from the right perspective, but if you look at it from the wrong perspective, it looks kind of weird. It's a really cool way to draw. In this project, we're going to use shading and value to make a very simple anamorphic drawing of a sphere.
Now, I know that looks probably pretty hard. We're going to start with something very simple. You work your way up to doing something like the drawings and art that you've just seen. We're going to start with just a sphere. To make this sphere, what we really need to understand is value.
Now, before we do this project, there's something I want you to practice. I want you to practice making different values with your pencil. You could also do this with a colored pencil. I'm going to start by making 3 rectangles. This does not need to be perfect. It's just important that you have 3 sections that you're going to make your values in. Now, using a pencil or colored pencil, in the first rectangle, I'm going to make the darkest value I can. Do this by pushing as hard as you can with the pencil without breaking it. Fill in the entire rectangle. In the second rectangle, make a medium value. Don't push quite as hard as you did in the first one. Fill in the whole rectangle. In the last rectangle, I'm going to push very lightly with my pencil and make a very light value. You can also do this exercise or make values with colored pencils. That's fun to do also. So now we have 3 values we've made with our pencil. You could do the same exercise with 5, 6, 10, 20, 100 different rectangles. The other thing I'd like you to practice is to start with a value on the left, very dark, and just kind of make it gradually turn lighter by pushing a little bit less and a little bit less as you go around the paper, and make kind of a gradient that way, from dark to light. This will help you when you learn to shade your sphere, because that's really all it is moving from dark to light.
Anamorphic drawings are really great. If you finish the sphere, there is tons of tutorials online that you can find for more anamorphic drawings. Maybe that's something you could try after you're done.
And I hope you really like trying anamorphic drawings.